Sorry for what?
No.
People they say make she apologize to my mom. We don't even need her apology. Since we say we spiritual life, she know like mama. I'm gonna bring the 2 paper. Come.
Enogie, Egwe, Jennifer Abu, where are they? Jennifer come meet you, come beg you, say me come talk to O2. Enogie, yeah, where? Because I pity for Jennifer. I got say me we more settle the issue. Okay, I know the top put again. God bless you. Where's it? Hey, Guayo. Because he is a visionary. He is a expositioner to the nonsense. Because you cannot carry matter, go give a Enogie. Oh, we not go matter. Oh, I go matter. They take me. I'm getting me already. Yahweh. Who don't matter? Give one year and nine. Larry, who don't matter that game? You make it 9 years. Oh, bien, go. Umage go ye matter. Una mugi omeme, uma no meme. Una mugi omeme. Oh, Rema.
The Prince.
What?
Afa Baba.
You too much.
Hey, when is a girl talk me? See,
What?
again, in you, it can even in your see na he with. If person not the year word, now what did they see be this? I tell this girl that they say, me una rest. You don't born for this place. Wherever, where he not they do some kind of things again we go make people come they look you say you be bad person. He say yeah. Before day your break, you get watch your muzzle. A muzzle not your full. Erere full on your way. You want like that?
You
I know what I go. Hey yeah. Me go wherever so my way. E Jennifer ga riseke me ye o temo we o seke no mo ye o temo we we are for fear Jennifer Jennifer go tell mo say me say me she come apologize to Mama Pat he want go do am o he want go apologize but na ka take permission na bo o mo no ma bia we bo never mo ama we je but na take permission o better we just to come apologize to the woman where you know say na pikin you born for, bro. That just still remove my comot for the matter.
Yes.
Why get you favorite even met you where? Because now what you dey look for na happen so because
you know
almost where go from almost where go give topic, you not get topic of your own. So almost we go talk this topic until it tire. Almost when you hear what the topic now because the thing they give her like 500 views, 700 views. So it must be talking. Hey Jennifer, even if Jennifer say me Franco Mozo say me bring 1 million today. If you say give her a guy here, because the thing they give am view. Now Franco Mozo go by himself decide to rest for the issue.
Nah. Me they tell Jennifer. Even though say Frank rest, now me no go rest.
See now. They don't dey saga your mama because when almost now people mama
okay
you see assuming you listen to me that day Jennifer all these things not go happen I talk to you dey feel say me no know wetin me dey talk take the priest wey we get na the matter for don die una ya move get way
if you don even reach my hand that be don dey coordinate the matter
una ya move get
the problem wey she got dey fast she got to say Imade never talk na only him dey talk na say make you get patient I go call Imade talk.
Anamugele Fulani no go ayo.
No message obiana, no me wan mo obiana. Of a picture he said give me. He send many picture of Imade come give me say the clothes where they buy for Imade, the hair where they buy for Imade now the evidence be this. He say all of them give me say to tell the world say they really talk true say if they spend money for Imade. Fine, cause he says on record journal. I can't see a plan. Before me your come out now, me say all the thing we say give me. Don't they show all of the for a platform?
Should we see Jennifer? So Jennifer no one rest for the matter.
Because Jennifer one rest. Picture where say give me because as a most of just see evidence, the thing all the shaka for body. He all the shaka for body. Now most of the rock come today.
If Jennifer one rest, he me at you when anywhere where you are. Jennifer one may we rest. Me from come out they beat Mama Pat. I know you hear something.
Oh, I know. Jennifer, I know. Who can you know? I know. She know what she they do.
Say, will have malaki way. Don't have malaki way.
So she want maybe say Frank go the big part Usoh that side. He go
we
the
malaki
us no rest.
Oh, fake account, you know. Not be you. Not be Jennifer.
Who be that one?
No worry.
Okay. So if they talking, so if they want maybe say he go the because if you see the one where you come pay me pass today, Frank say he go bring one picture come out for hotel. See the picture where Frank go bring come out for hotel. He go bring one picture say this.
Oh, no, good afternoon.
Mama.
Mama, congratulations. Mama.
Okay. You know, the picture na the Frank Yamula jave na. Or where I can
today. Today
now. This picture when Frank carry come out, Frank go carry this picture come out because why? This girl I send her go give her Jennifer. Jennifer pack all those pictures go give Frank. Now he say okay they chop mama part for hotel. Now Jennifer Imade can't send the full picture for me. May I show you the full picture? May you see say this shirt, when I look this shirt too. Now see say I mark this shirt with blue for this side. When I look this shirt, when I see the other picture. The same day oh.
Me the power tap.
Yes, I say yeah. So when I see this the same shirt here, this na Imade. This na look the shirt wey mama wear. The same day, see the year. Now, almost will come out, bring that picture, say, Mona can see evidence so where Ake say the chop mama part enemy for hotel. Almost 700 people they watch on there. They laugh for the woman head. He called a laugh for the woman head, say, make una can see the picture where Ake tell the choppy mama, call the laugh for the woman head. The thing pay me. I say, boy, now we read the book now. I be the sleep because I go party for Paris yesterday. Which time we drive from here, go Paris yesterday. We drive, come back. So I don't fast sleep where. If you look my eye, now my eye see the summer. So as I see say almost what they share the video, give me say, bros, come out to see almost what don't start to it don't they lie. That's okay, let's come out. Now take for last so. My TV, my TV. Mami ove. Now take come out, my call the book and give una. When I see and say, he picking not they sleep with the mama or his force just to bring them down.
No, what did this guy they do now? Money every bien over party. Every family near me, understand.
They don't know what they are doing.
Oh, yeah, my wife, yeah. You know, you
see me see why.
They don't know what they are doing. Sweet baby, no way, I'm where. They don't know what they are doing.
No,
so now, almost one now they talk and they go with fake pictures and fake lies, fake information, just to bring my back Usoh and family down.
You know, if you bring her down, no fit.
Their name.
Yeah, better name.
My name is no matter if they participate. My name is almost no matter if they participate. I mean, no more matter. So te or see any destiny la with destiny wa one more wije.
But what with destiny way? I'll tell you. We will be
without no evidence. Without no evidence. This is what this boy have been doing in the Sabbath space. Why I support it? Why you support it? Why I support it? Everywhere I will monkey face. Today monkey face.
No, we go gawe atalo. Wala ya atalo ye mo gwa so gbungun ele go ga. Iwe mo pok body de si. Imwebe.
Only body man negbe. Oh boy, the platform be muzzle. You are give an river. Use less of people. Ivieri over river. Ivieri o na mu wela dia. No muzzle mu wela dia. Ivieri ya azuwa. Ya ije gospel wa ne no mozo gbe jalo. Oni bi ya me ba. Abi ko na walala o. Abi ko na walala o. Ne de do gbe luwa. Abi ko ni mo doria, ni mo ne doria. Ogbon ba do gbe luwa wo, ogbon ba do gbe luwa wa son. Evil women everywhere. Yeah, wa money de doria. Iko ni ma, ari yan we dede dan. Wa ma gulo kwa. Na webo duna. Are dede dan. And people, we'll continue the record. I just want to debunk this area where Omozo say, "Ake, but Usoh dot son, they sleep with him is a force."
No, verse I can help you, Usoh son. What I can go even find for that ugly toto? What ya over? I be aware me.
Usoh, ama opiano, overat no ya to who, overat na wall we. Now this one be Ake.
No man or all.
Now this one be Ake. But Usoh.
Oh, one more so on a sona. Also, the girl na so.
The boy be this one, but Usoh son.
Na fine boy.
Babega.
Eyo, when you want to give me a what? What a while, what a new year, me.
Now the boy be this one. On my boss is a frakia.
Almost said, Bo, each man. Now, Father, where you are,
You do Kokomo, you the iron.
Irema.
Who are the boy?
Oh, we are going on here. We are Mimina.
He already know what I.
Yeah, we have about two. Yeah, we have about two.
Okay, talking no one before I.
Yeah, we have about two. God, why cool.
Jenu Kokomo. We have a job about to.
Yeah,
where gift you go with TikTok here say where I go after the bella oh.
General, we want a gift here. When mommy wonder how we matter and the problem that they want a gift here.
Gift for I just tired for this topic. People that
won't believe us.
How can I gift where what 800 view no gift?
As people they hear me, I'm okay. I ask them whether they hear me. Are you hearing me?
They gift us so. Are
you hearing me? Yeah, what? Yes, I'm happy.
I'm hearing you.
They are not hearing me.
We are hearing you.
Yeah. Are you hearing me? Hello.
Yes, it's funny. Just
we see. When you suspect a gift, why worry?
I'm not just eight roses. A gift is
no, G, talk to us.
I agree to you. I said, may I allow you now. Maybe that guy may allow you for party last night for Paris. May I say 002?
Okay, man, you be. Bros, how you see me for the party? I not bam.
You bam like you do okay now. You giants now. You not giant too now. Yes, now you finish work now.
I not be small meat, abi.
But you be big miss now. Everywhere full, body full. Body day, body full now.
Body day. I be more follow that guy.
Body day.
Everybody follow that guy.
Over me, sir, quite every time. I mean, let me be the strongest man for fans. The way I stay used, stay the carry iron. As I see you, as I confirm.
Now you be the
strongest man for
fans. You see,
strongest man for fans.
Now you know, say I not be small meat.
Yes, sir. We're big banner.
Everybody, I bet wanna follow that guy. Everybody connect with that guy. That correct guy. You see me for Paris yesterday.
We're big banner. I said, I don't praise me this one. So I say you're jam for real life. Mama, you be bro. I agree to you. I agree to your government.
You know when Muji or wow.
Twice.
I beg. When I connect with them, all they follow. What follow? What follow? When I your follow, don't worry. I'll give you 100 follower. What? Okay. So,
people talk everything, pardon me. Talk everything, Belekwa.
Ni Belekwa. Why mute Wagegwa? Why Larry? We be on mute boy. What are you?
Talk everything, Belekwa. Ogwa Gbazia.
Ni Belekwa.
Talk everything, our old too. For a reason. But talk everything.
When the boy na Moses said na, why be kweku? Why be boy that kweku? Why be boy that wala rape boy na? Jennifer, you rape this boy. Who will rape boy now? Jennifer, who will rape boy now? Umwe boy na ikona, una repe boy na Jennifer. Gove,
Why do you not Nigeria ya je apia we bo eyin ke mi ene Jennifer wa. E we
Gove,
pass
Jennifer Kokomo, Gove.
Nigeria kele we bo.
Jennifer Kokomo, Gove, de dia, we me repe gona.
Ai we na ki ana ki boy.
Okay, we be Jennifer.
Jennifer la ke fe gbe.
Eri abu.
Ola ko pẹ̀lọ́ fua. If I go
Okay,
for
Kasi, obigbo wa no, obigbo no we ya we.
Ije o big boli di akọ.
Obigbo no we ya we.
Ojugbo na, ogbo boy na here, very big boy no kasi.
Kasi ugbo.
Ona si kasi bo control me kasi. Ona here kasi money hotel. Ibo wa eyan.
Okay, the boy
Oya we say wa ri apiko do pa apiko ke wa tu ofo awo wa.
Mama ne de boy wa mego.
Yeah.
South Africa bola no.
Jennifer Zegbe. Jennifer Zegbe.
South Africa je na South Africa.
Apiko lo wa de Jennifer wa ri wa fa.
Jennifer, wa mo le Jennifer yo ma wa mo yo me picture Jennifer mo yo ni o se. O no mo se na. Mo yo ni guy. Wa go ma ni gugu ato ma go.
Fanboy association fanboy.
Young girl, you'll be single mother.
Saifwa.
Your boss, single mother too. Sing young girl, single mother too. Don't preach that way. When you do kunai, when surgery gele no.
Enwe ne gele ekpele ya mesi baba. Enwe BBA mezesme.
Mo da were ni ke do ma gbon no.
Ni mo da were.
Ki apo mo fe se re.
Awe ni mo da were. Lare. Jennifer, ni mo da were me ya.
Ko se
onise surgery na here. So women get reaction ha gi ma gwa republic emi ogbuwa.
Abeg kisi e je ma e to okisia. Ima bere fese. Awo Abi eyin ke ate bi akiso bi so ge ma ti e no kuro ro.
Made itami made we imade if no carry ototo run. Uga mi Jennifer ye e pa loki gbaluwe tayo tutu. Uga mi Jennifer umana gbe pa loki wewe wo e mu mi wa gbon.
But e face e mo gba o.
E face Jennifer woman face.
Bise bonwa, o e ti e bise boa.
Ugba we ro. Ya o pe owo. To ipepe o. Ebe na wa se na.
Lapi waye tu owaye na popo na agbije si.
Ebe na wa se na.
Only sana reduce ne. We got me sana before. Iye no, iye. Ona iga akwa e. Only sana reduce ne.
Ye ebe nwe bi emi ebe pe. Ebe ro.
Udiani pe ni jam hiri when of service if is like jam so that he might have the video here. No kokomo we pe bege no sunu you are not hearing me. No kokomo you are not hearing me.
I'm seeing it. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Obi ate Jennifer ki obi koyi no. Ona obi eto.
Iya we adostro ne ya we.
Ona obi eto.
Ya we bolo kiyan. Abema, why ye boy aku ebo? Any patricia. Why man?
Jennifer na ye meji abiomera. O meji abiomera.
They give them what can we suspect, but we suspect there. Who agbe wa?
Oh, reba.
Mama can we suspect there? On va suspendre ya for we be mark.
Where video no show ba boy like I le ni. You want no see na that video.
Okay. Jenny. Me
Wa be ya. Nigeria.
Bene mommy Usoh gbe cultural set. O bi na wa ya mo na.
Your more auto sick be here back here.
Jesus. Wa shoge.
And we takere na. Frankie la support ni sa Frankie support we ro.
Frankie support don't we money sagiye, don't we money sagiye.
Sa Frankie Frankie ye we
mona since Jennifer na the won be zo pu don't we ya be Frankie but na
Emien famous will like.
But e kan ni men.
Mana ya mo ni support wo ave wenye lagbalagba. Mana ave wenye
lagbalagba ni mo.
Ugo ni sa we lagbalagba. So Omozo ya zoom ere. Oya zoom we ah. No na this one na you wanna work you.
But the Jennifer no fight for face.
Don't press your auntie omewebo auntie.
Auntie omewebo.
Omewebo auntie.
Jennifer mo se wa onia.
Jennifer mo kan eki Omozo Jennifer ka wa mi o wa poko.
Wọ́n ya work be sister be ora pe no ni wọ́n ya work be.
Na wa le pe ni because Jennifer ma la lo ni say Jennifer de.
Ona mommy party wa be to to mi e. Iri mi opo na wo to gano ni be.
Onisu we na ma
mi e wo to be Manchester ga wo ni kin e.
Jennifer Onisu we ya nena aezi ame you we ya.
Ije.
Aezi ame you we ya.
Da when ya pa ni sana teme egbegbe me iye ga run the mood wa bi.
The pussy wa mo ta won enye wa mo ta won me le the pussy go le gbon na. E me ne o tu go le gbon the pussy wa nya da won. Pegorina.
Ye na wa we Pegorina e.
Pecorina what you do
Pegorina no Pegorina Vitali. Ije Pegorina ye wa.
Je ni koko di moye mari. Cause Pecorina mi amu ye ma wa ite mi o be gbere. Pegorina. Ko na macho si.
Why na mi ga awuye ya bi ego ya bi ya awuye ya gwa o. Ye mo se o mi oje. Ona wazu ona ebe menwe. Ona we talo wa talo pre.
Mommy ofila one ofili hwene ofile lipi.
Go we unu.
Ya file ya ave soju e patient.
Unu we kile. Ichimi.
Soju patient.
Show. Unu ni wa show. Ki we ka o te ake fela. E fela ga mi oja.
Agodi wa bege ni. Amu ije me need.
Meto na ye munye jo na viok beke ni.
No, même ni ya wa. Ije wa gwalo ije.
Oko mi ja na ije gwe. Wana mi ja ye ki oba na gbado na mi abi ki selu.
Ya dwe mu yeke wa.
Eke mo tu gbona mo.
Yawe eke omwisa. Ozozo eke omwisa.
Wa, oni eki ma o e wo tu bu eki ma o eki ma wa.
Eke omwisa na ya mo ko na wo da na wo ba. Eke omwisa se se vi o eke omwisa se se.
E ba na ya gwale mu.
La dia eke omwisa jiva na ogbe o.
I
De da evil woman.
Omo be go bi e
The
gun
most useless woman in the do land. Evil woman.
Egbe wa egbe we so bi e do no.
Ola ya plan with over here. Ni ya mwenye patu sori ya. Awe ya patu so mama over here. Awe patu so mama over here. Ola ya plan ni ya mwenye eniri ya. Ogun ga gbopo na. Eje do ga gbopo na.
E kokoro muja o na je be tu kolo no. Wana mi e. Esipo bayi.
Deported from Germany or deported from Germany?
Deported.
Okay, my people, let's continue the Imade record. Okay, let's continue Imade nigga who no guana. Opina guane. Oh, if you don't say no talk, not say request again. Oh, why we go? Hey, send a request. What?
Maybe I'm around. Maybe I'm a network.
Okay. Well, listening.
People that they drag us for. Sir?
When are they listening?
So for Frank platform. And I needed to debunk some things with the evidence where I can give a part. That's why we repay money. Made from my life. This to be true. Don't lie.
He say you go pay. No get say me. No get me. Read the matter come out for social media.
Epa, not be that first day now we will send Enogie money. Now Jennifer first send 150. Epa, you know when we take send Enogie money, eh? Now when after Enogie talk that day, say me everybody rest. I will tell Enogie say, Epa, Jennifer no go rest too. You'll see the next day Jennifer will start again. Enogie say no worry, no go do anything. The next day Jennifer you go call Frank. Then that day Jennifer started to lie. They talk different things about my mom, my brother, and me. Then now if I know they come back because it begin the saga Jennifer for your own. So when the saga Jennifer people want they call, they say me not talk. When a part of they play some evidence where I don't send to them some recording. So because people call they call a pass say me a not talk again. Now a pass people want buy the matter or say make it not talk again. Now me call a pass say no worry if not so. Me want me you play all this my evidence finish. Me go pay. Now me and now me because they say a part 200 euro. A person at 200 euro now we go send. So now Jennifer actually failed now because of those things we go to talk of Frank platform. And I needed to debunk some things with the evidence where I can give a part. That's why we repay money, make a part for continue that voice recording. Because Jennifer be done the call, say make part not play them again. She just the lie, so now me carry my tag with a part. Why? Why will I do such? It don't say where Jennifer they use and tricks, say she'll go live video, Okay, that's why when the matter don't reach like this, because okay, go talk anything you want to talk. Huh?
You don't tell Jennifer say one carry come for social media.
Yes, you don't tell. If I may just you one, you get one blog where they call Do I Opener. That Do I Opener, so they post about things where they happen for Benin. Jennifer, she don't fair pose as second baby daddy. The way she do my brother's story, she don't fair disgrace the man. I'll send you the pictures. They post her for that blog, yeah. You believe, and she did the picture. Even her daughter did the picture, but they can't cover the face. They can't write her for the picture, say she be husband snatcher. I'll tell her for you, yes. She got the right for the picture, say she be husband snatcher. Then such she has said.
This now when if I carry a second baby papa go meet blog and me says the
no, not vessel. Not be obi pato be first husband.
No, that one that be first baby papa. This one and the second baby papa. He still carry this one, go give blog and make the beat her.
EJ.
Wabeg ya. He carry this one, now this is the second baby papa. Go give blogger, make the beat her. Wabeg ya, ben okay ou. Ukbo of one. Hein?
Ukbo fefe bwe.
Wabeg ya ukbo of one. Yakwe bege. Wakwe bege. Akofu. On a sien. If on a des siens, on a des right yes. On a des siens, on a des siens.
Ma wa mien. Right dans ça.
Wabeg ya.
Wa joue baby papa la dian.
Egbe on a question hein. Ije Jennifer, ou bege we o modan biye. Ije dan, obi o modan. Bad mama, that's a bon bad picking. Baby papa, second one. On a very median.
28 years, two baby papa. Wa say 30 years. 30 years, 3 baby papa.
What?
Wa say 35 years, 7 baby papa. Walk back.
My people, now they see what they happen. This is the second baby papa. Where Jennifer they carry come out. She, mama pa don't see know about second baby papa. When we can mama party cause second baby papa. Mais Dieu.
Non, mama party well if you come.
Natana.
On a pas né, on a
Say this one don't see run live on. I want to laisser upon the baby nyas we carry.
Okay, ni ya do agbona no pa kan ona ya lele ni ona ya aguko wu ye ni.
Okay, on a dit quelqu'un y aller les gars. Mais maïle le travail. Non. Et partout so yeri mula because c'est partout son a celebrity. All those celebrity, all those ciel les do ça passe.
Ti we bi ro pa. Owo ni man.
Non plus wa ga mo ni yari ya dolo yi. On ya mari garden me wa. Ça lo bo ari garden eh. Ahonya mari garden.
No ya dile wo, no ya dile wo. E wa ni temata, e beri ya we eri e.
And then you walk babana. Iba wazi bakba. Iba niya hinga. These are people for you. Meuna ya bege. But the bakba niya wazi bana. Eni ya nese ya niyewu. Or will not be zero. Only ya jiri mediana. That is why you have to use your kanushi. You have to use your kanushi.
Epa, mi atawe again na like a Nigeria gbe. I will make a create a Enogie. Nigeria wa muya.
Any maybe ata Nigeria Enogie, we no Enogie skerese.
Dami ni ye mewe ke ko.
Tama ni reje ni yate yo awaye gbe kia.
Dami mewe ke ko ko.
Awa de ticket lo je
ko piri ni o se mra be sin ala dia be midia e ko piri ni e belele e wa ni e belele. Obi patu so pa e mai wa lele. We no be ma no lele we no sile ya la ja we no do aka we no do akoka. E we don.
Una say a baby papa don't fit drag a comedia. Not be only partout so pikin, so that me mama for the see all this thing. In case of Jennifer family member they watch her, they go to see side the pack evidence they come out. All this video now, if blogger carry on, I go see different type of evidence why they pre come out.
Who they say madam for there? Who they say madam? What did madam do?
Eze yoni zuo, yoni mujela dia. Ije oga sun ije na so egbe na ije na mati movie la wa ije dan obiomo dan ogun ga gbo ije dan na. So my people, let's continue the record of what do you call her, of Imade. Let's continue. But also daughter, not listening.
Such she herself for the picture. If I believe saying Jennifer by herself, use her hand, send a picture, her baby daddy and a picture, give that blog me the post.
Really?
Yes, then 2 weeks after, that blog can post me and my mom. The same way that they do also. They can't post that.
The same blog, wait, post them. I see post them. See, I post them and their mom. See? The same blog. Mugen of Yagbe, the party over here, the party so over here, the same blog. The same blog of a post on me. I beg ya, the same blog when give, when beat the second baby papa. The same blog, then still give, may beat the Patuso mama children. My people now they see what they happen. And they tell them say, "Mona careful for women where they carry on a picking. Woman, one of the chop for abroad. Some women, they are way not good though. If you go prison and women, I pack many people for prison. One of the careful for woman matter. Man, you guys are not hearing me.
If you can't talk to me for you, I'm not going to answer you because you're not rich. When a woman, if you no concon, where you re-account it, where you ballo, you fake account, I don't care. You are a monkey.
One of the list you, my people. One of the list.
Like,
Don't
because
tell me
okay,
to
go
work
talk
on
him so you want talk.
This one a baby papa.
Huh?
One of the list.
Don't tell me Jennifer say one carry on for social media.
Yes, you don't tell. If I may just you one, you get one blog where they call it Do I Open Now? That Do I Open Now? So they post about things where they happen for Benin. Jennifer, she don't fair pose as second baby daddy. The way she do my brother so she don't fair disgrace the man. I'll send you the pictures. They post her for that blog. Yeah, you believe and she did the picture. Even her daughter did the picture, but they can't cover the face. They can't write for the picture say she be husband snatcher. I'll tell her for you, yes. She got the right for the picture, say she be husband snatcher. They're in such she herself for the picture. If you believe saying Jennifer by herself, use her hand, send a picture, her baby daddy and a picture, give that blog me the post.
Really?
Yes, then 2 weeks after, that blog can't post me and my mom. The same way that they do also. They can't post that. I'll still show you what they post. When I see the picture, I can't surprise. Like, what's my mom? Me and my mom. What did they drag us for? Sir?
Send them for me.
I'll send them. I can't imagine, say, who going to do this kind of who I get issue with? Because I don't have any, to me, I don't have any issue with Jennifer. I don't tell her, she dey type herself. Then later on, but if she don't do something, she'll call the talk say I not be a clear she do. If she don't, if I don't need, she'll call the regret. Later on, Jennifer call the talk. Like we didn't sort ourselves from there. Now she call us to start a manipulation tune again. They want they cry. They say man not best. Now she naturally fair do that first one. Now she tell do I post a picture. I will send you the chat. Now I put screenshot them. He said my sister I shock. And that picture so she do my own. She tell them they post me and my mom so that people will feel say now we fair do our own. Now make she do us back. This girl she do that with the craze. No, it's really worse now she by herself now pay. Then she pay 500,000 naira to a do out now make they post our own. I step back of waiting we see the less. If I'm not worried, no understand. I will send you the pictures. I will send you the screenshot. So she said I agree. She said the reason why she's doing like that. He said because she they suspect her baby daddy. Say the guy they cheat on her, they follow another girl. You see her for the chat where she they explain. She calls her baby man no verse. I shocked saying that Jennifer like that herself. Pay blog, make they post a picture, make they see post my own, make people for fixing and me do our own. Then you call the later they say sorry. Sorry for what? No. People they say make she apologize to my mom. We don't even need her apology. She say we split her life. She know like mama, make they bring the two paper come, make they go arrest us, or carry the matter go palace.
Now when you talk to you see you never friend that in the back one once. That one very, very, very important.
How many times I don't see a destiny for my life? How many times I don't see her? Many not through the saga, many people will tell us my mom even get children. People they feel my mom never get children. How many people know us as my mom children? How many times
Mama Pat not get picking no. I asked that I say Mama Pat get picking. Me I don't even know. Juro.
Okay,
now mama up here.
Okay, you know go come mama tell mama Patty mama.
Mama me tell go be mama. And I swear to God.
Yeah.
Me tell man, ni na do na ayo ko na mama. Mama. Hey.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah. Many not through the saga, many people will tell us my mom even get children. People they feel my mom never get children. How many people know us as my mom children? How many times I did with my mom?
So
when
now
I was
we
in
talk
Nigeria,
the
I did school.
Now
My the show na Madi, very beautiful girl. My the show na case I don't know her. A fine girl. Again, I go no do back. You want to chop this girl pekus.
Monsieur, na Frank.
The fine Madi pekus you want chop.
Yeah, okay, my partner here.
Wa Monsieur.
Me va no bia e gele mose. Dia wo kwo. Bia no bia mose ko mose.
Oh, you do you na. You want to chop this toto?
Eke girl now I fuck up. O no bia no tion e ti sagboma man. So you ya bia no yo we ne lele wo say.
You want to chop this
fuck up
toto?
ma lele wo say at all.
Many Madi Moses say na. Oh, you see a quick tata.
Imagine le wo say at all. Ma dey fuck up for that area. No matter the friendship we go break, you no need that.
When I say justice for Akpiko, Imade Akpiko.
You live there?
When I say justice for Imade Akpiko, what? When I say justice for Imade Akpiko, Yawi, Yata. Justice for Imade Akpiko, what?
Oh, wa gbe o meva patuso me, o meva me. O meva me on top please.
Where?
Patuso, o meva me.
Oye mama party na, ove dai, ekonje.
Oh, you want meva mama me ah. O meva me. Why ya?
Epa the priest on our own picture no. You don't find
I want to bring you out. When Mudani view the new picture la dia gbele gumen wazi.
Thank you. Oh, ijebe omose o. Oti akoboke. Oboke o Jonosagi. Wow. Fine baby. Ogele Mose lomo. Iji have Mose self. Iji have Mose. Very fine girl.